Hi, my name is Denise, and I'm here at Smiles by the Sea, and I just got 4 beautiful front teeth, all crowns. And I have to tell you out there, if you are afraid to come to the dentist, I was petrified. I've had my same dentist for over 30 years, and it took me 4 different dentist visits to get here. The doctor was so wonderful. I had all these replaced with no pain, comfortable the whole time, and I'm so happy I did it, and I wish I hadn't waited any longer. So if you are afraid of coming to the dentist and had fear of dentists, which I also did, I was completely put at ease here. If I was in any discomfort, everybody, the staff and everyone would just make me feel so relaxed and would stop and say, "Are you okay?" And I was fine. In fact, today was my final day, and I needed no Novocaine because I had no fear of coming in today. Thank you, Dr. Shevchenko. You have given me a beautiful smile. I can't wait to get out there and smile to everybody that I know.